Let's talk about a game changer for home comfort, the heat pump. For decades, we've used furnaces to heat and air conditioners to cool two separate systems, burning fuel and using lots of energy. But what if one device could do both, more efficiently? Enter the heat pump. Instead of burning fuel, it simply moves heat like a taxi for warmth. In winter, it brings heat in from outside. In summer, it sends heat out. This approach uses far less energy and slashes carbon emissions. As our electricity grid gets cleaner, heat pumps get even greener. The result? Lower bills, a smaller carbon footprint, and year-round comfort. More and more people are switching to this unified, efficient solution. The heat pump isn't just a new appliance, it's a smarter way to think about energy at home. Let's see how it works. So, how does a heat pump actually work? It's all about the refrigeration cycle, the same science behind your fridge. A special refrigerant circulates in a closed loop, absorbing and releasing heat as it changes from liquid to gas and back. The process starts at the evaporator, where cold refrigerant absorbs heat from outside air even in winter. The compressor then squeezes this gas, raising its temperature and pressure. Next, the hot gas moves to the condenser inside your home, releasing its heat to warm your air. The refrigerant cools, turns back into a liquid, and passes through an expansion valve, dropping in pressure and temperature. Then the cycle repeats. In summer, the process reverses. Heat is pulled from inside and released outdoors. It's efficient, clever, and all based on physics. No magic, just smart engineering. That's the secret behind the heat pump's year-round comfort. Let's look at the types you might encounter. Science in action. There are two main types of heat pumps, air source and ground source. Air source heat pumps pull heat from the air outside and are easy to install and affordable. They work well in most climates, even in surprising cold, thanks to modern tech. For extreme cold, some have backup electric heaters. Ground source, or geothermal, heat pumps use the Earth's steady underground temperature. They're super efficient and reliable, but cost more upfront due to excavation. Over time, they can save even more energy. The best choice depends on your climate, property, and budget. Both options are a leap forward in home comfort. Building a great heat pump is all about smart design. Engineers use advanced software to model airflow, heat transfer, and noise before making a single part. Maximizing coil surface area and optimizing fan blades boosts efficiency and keeps things quiet. Prototypes are tested in labs that simulate extreme weather, ensuring real-world performance. Every detail from fin spacing to compressor design matters. Innovations like smarter controls and eco-friendly refrigerants keep pushing efficiency higher. Each generation of heat pumps gets better, thanks to relentless engineering. It's a cycle of design, test, and improve. That's how the quiet revolution in home comfort keeps moving forward. Materials matter. Heat pumps rely on copper, aluminum, and steel for performance and durability. Copper tubing moves refrigerant efficiently and resists corrosion. Aluminum fins boost heat transfer and keep the unit light. Steel forms the strong, weather-resistant frame and cabinet. Manufacturers source high-quality, often recycled metals for sustainability. Special coatings protect against the elements, especially outdoors. Responsible sourcing ensures long-lasting, eco-friendly machines. Quality materials are the foundation of the heat pump revolution. On the factory floor, precision meets craftsmanship. Copper coils and aluminum fins are assembled for maximum heat transfer. Compressors and fans are mounted on steel frames, isolated to reduce noise. Skilled technicians braze joints for a leak-proof refrigerant loop. Electronics and control boards are installed and connected. The whole assembly is enclosed in a protective steel cabinet. Robotics and human expertise combine to build each unit. From raw materials to finished product, It's modern manufacturing at its best. Before shipping, every heat pump faces tough quality checks. First, the refrigerant loop is pressure tested with nitrogen to catch leaks. A vacuum removes air and moisture. Then the exact refrigerant charge is added. Each unit is run in both heating and cooling modes, with computers monitoring performance. Random units undergo endurance and extreme temperature tests. Noise levels are checked in soundproof rooms. Only units that pass every test make it out the door. This rigorous process ensures reliability and efficiency. Your heat pump arrives ready for years of comfort. Quality is built in, not just promised. Installation is where your heat pump comes to life. A pro technician plans the best spots for indoor and outdoor units. The outdoor unit sits on a level pad with good airflow. The indoor unit connects to your ducts. Refrigerant lines are carefully run and sealed, then pressure tested for leaks. Electrical wiring is connected safely to your home's panel. The system is powered up and tested to ensure everything runs perfectly. A smart thermostat may be installed for easy control. Proper installation is key to efficiency and reliability. Now, your home is ready for year-round comfort. Keeping your heat pump running smoothly is easy. Check and replace air filters. Regularly clogged filters waste energy. Keep the outdoor unit clear of debris and plants for good airflow. Clean the unit gently, and check for blocked drainage. Schedule a yearly professional tune-up for deeper checks and cleaning. Technicians inspect refrigerant levels, electrical connections, and clean coils. Simple maintenance saves money and extends your system's life. A little care goes a long way. Heat pumps are transforming home comfort and energy use. They're 3 to 4 times more efficient than traditional furnaces, cutting both emissions and bills. Upfront costs are offset by long-term savings and available rebates. The future is even brighter. Smarter controls, cleaner refrigerants, and quieter, more efficient designs. Imagine a heat pump that learns your schedule and runs when electricity is cheapest and greenest. As technology advances and costs drop, heat pumps will become the new normal. They're a cornerstone of a sustainable, comfortable future. Science and engineering are building a better world one home at a time. The revolution is here. Ready to make the switch? Consider it.